I ain't even got no intro. I'm just finna talk to y'all. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy C. It's your boy me. Hey, what we back with? We back with another manger. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what that was. I'm so sorry. Hey man, say man, how your day, man? Don't play with me. You woke up today, fool. You woke up. I woke up. We both woke up. That's a blessed day, family. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessed day. Don't make me get on you. Feel me? So look, you like, damn, see what you got going on, son. You happy? What we got going on? What we doing today? Bro, first of all, I need y'all to go follow the boy Instagram, the Gramsky right there. Go follow that for me while I explain what we got going on. Bro, if you was following last year, if you was picking up the pieces that was being put down to the puzzle, you picked up on something, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you joined that? Here's the Discord, you feel me? We right around the corner from 300 members. As soon as we hit 300 members, we doing another giveaway so one of y'all can get right, you feel me? So make sure you in that Discord. There's a lot of good motion coming soon with that Discord too. So make sure you up in there, you know what I'm saying? So look, you in the Discord, right? You done joined the Instagram, we cool, right? So educational message, because this is an educational video. I'm gonna tell y'all about a little bit about myself and my favorite thing from last year, you know what I'm saying, and going into this year. So educational message, go ahead and run, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we got the educational message out of the way, you feel me? Yeah, man, what we got going on today? Today we woke up today. It's a blessed day, you feel me? The message of the day is the Lord woke us up, so you know, had to go look it up for y'all so I didn't butcher it. Psalms 118:24. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Do you hear me? Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it because we woke up today, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's the message of the day. It's a great day, twin. It is what's the day? What day is it? You dropping on a Sunday? It's Sunday! And you ain't liked the video yet? That's why your team not in the playoffs no more. Oh yeah, straight like that. You know who team is though. Like, hey man, but before we get into today's video, you already know. Go ahead and bow them heads. Let's bless this video. Let's have a great one. Y'all ready? Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for just waking us up and just blessing us with another beautiful day today, Lord. I thank you so much for that, and I thank you for the things that you do for all of us in front of our eyes and behind the scene, Lord. I thank you so much for everybody watching this video, and I thank you that you're working with them like you're working with me, and you're working with the person who clicked off and left a hateful comment, all that. You're working with all of us, Lord, to fulfill your path and your journey, to fulfill the path that you've made for us, Lord. And I just thank you so much for just walking with us and never letting us go, Lord, and just being the great, amazing God that you are, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So, you know, we got everything settled that needed to be settled. We got, you know, the prayer in there, the message of the day. Y'all following the gram, you in the Discord, you feel me? You done left a comment about what you either eating or you smoking today. Yeah, I know that you're taking into the video, you feel me? So leave that comment and let me finally, after 3 minutes, tell y'all exactly what we doing today. So first of all, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a Woodiana. Yeah. So you like, damn, see, you know, what we got going on, bro? You ain't broke down that what we got going on, bro. I'm about to get on your ass. What we got going, twin? Relax and get you some of this. Giraffe, what's that? Yeah, it's great like that. That's what we on. This right here, twin. Right there, that giraffe, was it? Low key was my favorite thing to end out last year. Like, we had a good amount of strains to end out last year. We tried a good amount of stuff, like rotated a good amount of packs through the last like quarter of the year. I think we did like a lot of videos in the last quarter of the year. So we tried a lot of different things. You see what I'm saying? That was one of them ones, like, especially through the, like, from what people be sending me. Hit the short if you want to see it. You already know the deal. Don't piss me off. Hit that short. I know you want to see the gas. Yeah, I know. Hit the shorts, man. Look, this right here was genuinely, I think, my favorite strain to end off the year last year. Like, I think it's safe to say that. The time I ordered it like 4 times, you know what I'm saying? Killed it every single time. So I definitely think it's easy to say that. So, cheers. Let's get the party started. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is my first time having this strain from cannacured, but truthfully, bro, I've not had anything bad from cannacured yet, and I'm expecting just as good, high quality smoke, good flavor, all that came from that giraffe is gonna be on this right here too. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how you know, elevated we trying to get high giraffe was. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what they say.
She must be from Dirty Dots.
That's what I'm saying.
It's already got those like little gassy, sweet notes coming up off of it. Cheers. That sweetness, bro, is something so soothing. Like, it's such a one thing I love about cannacured, right, is the fact that they have like that little flavor profile breakdown thing. I'll put that on the screen now because we already know what it's supposed to hit like. And off that first hit, this is definitely gonna hit just like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? This is $25 eighth. Definitely worth it. See, I'll show y'all on the screen now so you can see a little bit of it. Do y'all see how it's got the flavor breakdown? I really like that from cannacured. You feel me? I really like that. I'll put the description that they got under it right there now so y'all can, like I said, read all about that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But like, I don't even know how to describe it, twin. Like, there's such a sweet tone on it, but it's not overbearing whatsoever, bro. Like, it's like a berry gelato, but not a doughy gelato. Like, honestly, maybe more of a runts type of like sweetness. I don't know, that motherfucker. That shit's still funky. Oh, this is apparently a cross between the famous, and I got this from allbuds.com. You feel me? It's a 60-40 indica hybrid. You know what I'm saying? Y'all reading on the screen. It's mixed between MILF and astronaut buzzing. Most known for its amazing flavor and head high, and that's exactly what this is. Like, I didn't think there was any sativa. I thought this was a purely indica dominant hybrid. And you know, everything's hybrid nowadays. But like, nah, twin, like, they got a little sativa in it too. I didn't even know. That's a bonus. That smoothness and that flavor. Ooh, boy. Like, this one of them ones, and y'all have heard me say this about certain strains on the channel before. Let me turn the fan on a little bit. This will trigger that sense in your body where it's like, I don't want to stop smoking it. And next thing you know, you got a damn square of a roach left, and you mad as hell that you got to roll up again. So play that very cautionary, my friend, because this motherfucker, you gonna want to smoke it. Once you spark it, it's like, it's one of them ones, bro. And I love cannacured, but I hate cannacured for this reason, right? They got such good gas and good quality and good tasting gas. After 10 minutes, I don't want to record the video no more. I want to sit down and doom scroll on TikTok and smoke my blunt, because this joint really just puts you in that, yeah, we vibing, baby. You know what I'm saying? It really puts you in that mode. The flavor is actually like so good. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I know I said gelato a little bit earlier. I think the closer thing to relate this to would be a runts, not because of like a lack of sweetness or anything. This sweetness almost tastes sugary. Like, it's a sugary sweetness. Like, I know exactly what it is. I might have even already said this before. Have y'all ever took this? This might be some fat shit. Yeah, okay, if it is, rock with me. You feel me? Have y'all ever took some grapes and had them rolled in Kool-Aid or like sugar, really Kool-Aid? That's what this tastes like. Like, it's a refreshing, sugary sweet. Like, that's like a, yeah, that's exactly what it is. But it's still like, it's za. You know what I'm saying? You know it's some za. Definitely, like, that's the reason I think it was my favorite strain. Like, because it has a little bit of everything. It's smooth as butter. Still, it's smooth as butter, but it still got enough hit to let you know shit there. You know what I'm saying? The taste is a sugary, like, candy grape sweet concoction. And then it's called Giraffe, was it? You gotta vote with that. Like, this, okay, I got you another example. Hypothetically, in GTA back in the day when we all started, you know, puff passing, you know what I'm saying? If you ever sit down for that first time you sat down with your homie and they pulled out like a blueberry gelato or like one of them berry gelatos, you feel me? And you hit that bit for the first time and you had to step back and look at the J like, you like, did you put Kool-Aid in this bit? Why it tastes like that? Nah, bro. Nah, little bro. That shit's some Zy. This just some Zy. What this called? Giraffe, was it? You see what I'm saying? Like, that's exactly what this reminds me of, bro. It takes me back to that first time where you hit some berry tasting Zy. Y'all remember, bro. You remember, bro. Every single hit just takes me back to that, because the aftertaste it leaves is that berryness, that sweetness, but it's still a little gassy. Like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Like, that guy, bro, I love this pack so much. Like, I do think this one was a little bit smoother than the other ones I'd had. Like, this is one of them ones you could smoke the entire blunt just like overly ghosting and you're gonna be straight. Like, I like, oh. Overly going for the giraffe, but that was about to be a crazy sentence. Hold on. I really like this. How that ass look to y'all? Yeah, bro. She got me sedated, medicated. You know what I'm saying? Like, the Woodiana won today. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if your team won today. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know what you think. If your team in the playoffs, I ain't talking to the rest of y'all. It's for the big dogs. You know what I'm saying? If your team's still in the playoffs, let me know how far y'all going, bro. Like, how far is your team finna go in the playoffs? You know my Steelers, my Pittsburgh Steelers. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna drop my nuts. I'm gonna give y'all a hot take. If you watching the game tomorrow night, it's a Monday night game. Am I gonna sit here and say we about to win? No, I'm not about to sit here and like make that bold of a prediction. I don't know what the hell gonna happen, but I think it's gonna be a closer game than what people are saying. Like, a lot of people that got us getting washed, I think it's gonna be a lot closer of a game than that. I think our defensive lines are very similar. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers talk about their defense like it's crazy. The pass rush like it's crazy, which it is. Don't get me wrong. They got a really good pass rush. I think we got more sacks. We got 48. They got 47. I ain't no ball. Nah, but they do have a great defense. So it's gonna be a very interesting game. Gotta see what A-Rod can do. DK first game back. But y'all let me know. Drop y'all predictions to the Steelers game down below in the chat. Let me know what y'all think finna happen tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, my brother and my sister and my twingemans, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take one more hit. I'm gonna let y'all get a hit. Then we gonna rate this bit. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Yeah, this what you're smoking at y'all. Aeroid crab. You feel me? There you go. Oh. Wow, I need more. Send me a pound, please. Like, just for me. Y'all send me a pound, you might not see another review. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna keep smoking that shit. You know what I mean? Like, hey, cuz. Easy like Sunday morning. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're so smooth, she's so sweet. I literally, bro, this is just that. It's an indica, bro, but it's like a happy indica, too. You know what I'm saying? Make it smile and make it like, oh, what you smoking? I'm smoking some Giraffe, pussy, nigga. What you smoking? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, cuz, let me go ahead and rate this. Y'all probably know what we giving it, you feel me? It's definitely up there. You know what I'm saying? But let's assume the position. I was doing too much. She punched me back. Huh? Hold on. Take 5. No, I'm glad. Bro, this shit is so good, bro. Like, that berry, like, I cannot emphasize. You some of my bitch. You know it ain't a CX1 video if the light don't die. Come on now. Y'all know how we get down around here. Yeah, straight like that. Hold on. Get me overly right. But what I was saying is, like, I know y'all remember that taste. Like, that first time you really tasted berry from the za. Not from the wrap, but from the za. In your blunt. That is exactly what this takes you back to. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, packs don't usually take you back like that every single time. Maybe the first time you smoke it, it's gonna get you like that. Every time I've had this bitch, it's like, damn, bro, that flavor crazy. Like, now let me make something very clear though. This is my favorite strain that you can get from different places, right? Like, I'm gonna get into the rating, hold on. This is my favorite strain that you can get from different places, you know what I'm saying? My favorite strain ever still is BK Satellite. Like, what that did to folk, you know what I'm saying? But this right here, what I get at? V's got like a 9.6, because that joint is 5. V's is 9.6. Damn, it's crazy to start the year off like this. This a 9.78. Like, no cap. Like, no cap. Like, I don't like, the only thing that can make this better is if I had Mo straight like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, but this is a very good pack. Y'all know I don't really rate stuff 10 out of 10 because I don't know what an absolute perfect pack is. I've had what I feel like is very close. This is very close. Like, obviously with that 9.78, this is up there. This is getting close to that perfect pack. Like, boy, oh boy, I literally love this strain. 9.78 out of 10. But hey, man, say, man, I'm taking one more hit when we get up out of here. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. If you wonder what we rolled up today, was a vanilla backwood, you know, just in case y'all was wondering what we was on. That's what it was. The aftertaste that's left in your mouth is like fruity pebbles, bro. Like, almost. Like, it's just such a good smell. I love it. I love it a lot. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
But yeah, but I love it. I
on some adapt shit. Shout out my nigga. Hey, twin. If you live in Sterling, you smoking well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never ever miss an upload from your boy or any notification when your boy be going live, the shorts be it may be, you can pop up and CC. You know what I'm saying? You hit that notification bell, twin. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Shout out to them folks at cannacured. You know what I'm saying? Big, huge shout out to them. Like I said, like huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to y'all for being y'all, for rocking with your boy, for love, showing love, the love that y'all be showing. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all so much. And last and definitely not least, the most important, that's why we save it for this part of the video. Shout out to the big man upstairs. Shout out to Jesus, man. Oh, I hit my mic. Shout out to the big man upstairs. Shout out to Jesus. Thank you for just allowing us to do this. And I love y'all, man. I'm gonna see y'all for the next one, dog. Peace. Yeah, I appreciate you for liking the video. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but I appreciate you for stopping by. YouTube say you gonna like this video right here if you like this one, twin. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, you gonna like that one. But you hear the song? That's my song, Soul Circus. It's out. It just dropped on my project 1111 by me, YouTube exclusive. Go hit that corner, man. Go tap in with it, man. I love y'all. See y'all for the next one.
Don't try, little bruh. Promise you ain't got enough steez. If you reach, little nigga, you shaking his head at the meet and greet.